Have you noticed that there are a lot of new projects coming up in Oakville these days, starting at $400,000, and this is with zero development fee, zero occupancy fee, all kind of incentives? Is this really true? So today I am going to ask questions that buyers should ask and see what is true, how much you actually pay if you're starting at $400,000. I'm Milena, I'm your local real estate guide, and today I will show you a new development that is coming up in Oakville, and they're selling it as we speak. If you need any help finding a property in our area, it doesn't matter if it's residential or commercial, let me know. My information is in the description box below. You can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. We are there for you. Let's get started. I have my set of questions. If you have something to add or you have a question, definitely put it in a box. As much as you ask, as much as you find out for the pre-construction property you want, better decision you're gonna make. Don't forget to put your comments in a box, any questions that you have and any experience, so we can all help each other. Let's be real. Is there anybody who can buy a livable unit in Oakville for about $400,000 that doesn't look like a parking lot or a dream?
My first question to the builder, if I was you, would be, what do I get for $400,000? Is it a real apartment, a shoebox, or you're just making the numbers? Can you please show me? And actually, they do have the layouts, which is great with the prices. So one bedroom is 487 feet, which is less than 500. This is a tiny space, but the price is 389,000. So it is true, you can get a one bedroom apartment for under 400,000. And then how does it look like? It's very important. So you enter from here and you end up in a tiny kitchen, living room, balcony, bedroom, and bathroom. This layout I've seen in other condos, and it feels really tight in here. It's like a corridor. And I do encourage you, let's go back to the prices, to see what really works for you. If you're gonna pay 50,000 more, you're gonna get more square footage, you're gonna breathe a little bit better there, right? You're gonna probably have more closet space. So 50,000 can make a difference for you, but those questions will be strictly to the builder and to the agents. And of course, if I'm helping you, I'm gonna ask them for you as well. So I have another question to the builder on behalf of you.
Next question. It says that there are zero development charges. This just sounds too good to be true. Are they really waived, or they're already included in the price? So let's see how this actually works.
Right now is the buyer's market. It's really tough out there. So developers, sellers are coming with different strategies. And for instance, this is a good example, zero development charges. How does it work? Most likely in this case, the developer absorbs or provides credit for these fees at closing. But where the cost goes, and it's almost certainly factored into the overall price. But I'm not talking on the behalf of developer. This is just a research that I've done. Because those fees are mandatory and they're imposed by the town of Oakville, so they cannot disappear. And this is a strategy that developers are using right now. They're trying to work things out, or maybe like giving more space for your money. Things are changing, and let's keep going with the questions because you need to be aware when you're purchasing on a blueprint.
3, no occupancy fees. Does that mean that the buyers really are not paying anything until closing, or there are hidden fees somewhere that we don't know about?
Another catch is no occupancy fees. That means that you're not paying any rent or phantom rent until the closing. But there is another fee that it's mandatory, and it's called interim occupancy fees.
The fee covers the cost during the construction period, like unpaid purchase price, municipal taxes, other expenses like common expenses. Keep in mind that cannot be avoided, so it's mandatory. The builders, the developers, cannot make profit on it, so it's a non-profit fee that cannot be avoided, and you definitely need to make sure to ask about the calculation of this fee when you're working on the price and on the closing. Click subscribe. Next question is the parking and the locker included. Are they both guaranteed or just one of each? depending on the size of the unit, the availability. Let's take a look.
We have a lot of clarity here. 1 parking plus 1 locker included for 1 and 2 bedroom suites. 2 parking plus 2 lockers included for 3 bedroom suites.
If you need any help finding a property in our area, it doesn't matter if it's residential or commercial, let me know. My information is in the description box below. You can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. We are there for you. 5. I would like to know what the current maintenance fees are and how they're gonna go up in the next 5 to 10 years.
Here it says that maintenance is estimated at 59 cents per square foot. So if we go back to the first condo, which is 487 feet times 59 cents, and you're looking at $287.33 for the smallest unit. Then it shows that bulk internet and AI smart community systems is $62 per month plus HST. Is this included into the 59 cents or it's on the top of the maintenance fee that I calculated? So let's say it's on the top, and you must ask everything so you're clear what's included into the fee. So we have $349.33, and that's without the HST on the bulk internet per month. Another question regarding that is, what is exactly the AI smart community system? Please ask, because they're different types. Some of them are just exclusive and you feel like you're in another world, but others are just simple, the key knob, the keypad on your door, things like that. So definitely investigate what is it offered in the maintenance fee and how much they're calculating that will increase in the next 5 to 10 years.
And dig deeper so you have understanding for yourself. For instance, another question could be, are you certain that the project will be delivered on time? Because I've seen a lot of delays with new construction. Can you guarantee that these incentives will hold through closing? Or the developer can change terms once the construction begins? And at the end, what will be the total after closing costs, taxes, other fees that we don't know about will be? Because 400,000 sounds amazing, but often it's not that simple. So what do you think? Are these deals as good as they sound? If you're thinking of buying pre-construction, make sure you're asking the staff questions before you sign anything. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow, because our team drops content every single week about things that are happening in our area. So if you're looking to buy or rent or invest, my information is in the description box below. You can send me an email, you can call me, you can text me, whatever works for you, we're there for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click like, subscribe, and follow. And if you need any help finding pre-construction projects or any kind of projects actually, including commercial, feel free to reach out. My information is in the description box below. You can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. I am there for you. Thank you so much. I'm Milena, and I will see you on the next video.